So we'll be discussing about mutual induction. So let us consider two coils close to each other and in one coil current is allowed to pass through one coil. Current is allowed to pass through. Suppose I current is flowing through this. I1 current is flowing in the first coil. Let the first coil be P and second coil is S. That is P stands for primary coil and S stands for secondary coil, right? They are very close to each other, but without touching. There may be some core, that is magnetic core, soft iron core maybe. Okay. Uh, Within the coil, there may be some soft iron cores. And if current changes in the primary coil, induction will happen in the first coil, no doubt. That is self-induction. But due to the change in current in the first coil, it will change the magnetic flux through the second coil, because magnetic flux will cover this coil also, right? We do not see our naked through our naked the magnetic flux. চুম্বকীয় বলৰেখাবিলাক আমাৰ খালি চকুৰে দেখা নাপাওঁ, কিন্তু এই চুম্বকীয় বলৰেখাবিলাক ইয়াত সুইচ দিয়াৰ লগে লগে ইয়াত প্ৰডিউস হ'ব আৰু ইয়াকো এফেক্ট কৰিব. That is called induction. Without touching, টাচ কৰা নাই, ওচৰতে আছে. ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মাৰ বিলাক এনেকুৱা application আছে. ইয়াৰ application ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মাৰ আছে, induction. So very interesting, you see, as soon as we change the current in the first coil, that is primary coil, immediately magnetic flux will change. Suppose magnetic flux phi2 in the second coil changes. Okay? This phenomenon is called mutual induction. That is, when current in the first coil I1 changes the magnetic flux in the second coil, as a result, EMF is induced in the coil, and galvanometer, if galvanometer is connected in the coil, it will deflect, right? It will show deflection. So it means that when current changes in the first coil, the current I1 passes through the first coil, it changes magnetic flux phi2 in the second coil, then we get induced EMF in the second coil. That is, the production of induced EMF in a coil due to the change in flux in a neighboring coil is called mutual induction. And from this, if we find one constant replacing proportionality sign, then it will be M phi2. M is called coefficient of mutual induction. That is, also it is said as mutual inductance. Okay, mutual inductance. M is called mutual inductance, right? This is one relation. If we go to the Faraday's law, that is, which is equal to d phi by dt. And if we replace phi, that is magnetic flux, okay, due to the change in current in the first coil, then this expression will become magnetic, that is not B, it is EMF. EMF is equal to minus M d phi by dt. It is reverse. If we write phi 2 proportional to I, then it will be I 1, 1. So you can write like this also, phi 2 is equal M I 1. Okay. Or as we can write phi 1, phi 2 is the magnetic flux concerned with second coil, and I1 is the current in the first coil. So we can write this expression as M di1 by dt. Okay. And similar to the case of self-induction, here also we can have one relation, that if di1 by dt is equal to 1, that is unit rate, that is unit rate of change of current. If current changes in the first coil at unit rate, যদি প্রথম কয়েলটো ইউনিট রেটত কারেন্ট চেঞ্জ হয়, it is 1 ampere per second. So if current changes at unit rate, that is unit rate of change of current in the first coil, then what will happen? The EMF, the magnitude of EMF by removing negative sign, will be equal to M. That is, from this also we can say that the mutual inductance M is equal to the EMF. পারস্পরিক আবেগ, mutual inductance কি বলি কয়? পারস্পরিক আবেগ. So mutual inductance is equal to the magnitude of EMF when the current in the first coil changes at unit rate. So from this relation also you can define M. When current changes at unit rate, the EMF induced in the second coil is equal to the mutual inductance of the two coils. There are two coils, so mutual inductance M is concerned with for both the coils. So this is one relation, that M is equal to the magnitude of EMF. So negative sign is removed here, only magnitude is taken. So M is equal to the EMF. So what will be the unit? Next, come to the unit. Again, SI unit. SI unit of M is again Henry. Henry. Right? If di1 by dt is equal to 1 ampere per second, EMF produced is equal also 1 volt, then M, the mutual inductance, is equal to 1 Henry by definition. Similar to the case of self-induction, we can say that if the rate of change of current in the first coil is unit, that is 1 ampere per second, then if the EMF induced in the second coil is 1 volt, then we can say that the value of M is equal to 1 Henry. That is, for both the coils, the mutual inductance, that is coefficient of mutual induction, is 1 Henry. Okay. And dependence, on what factors it depends? Dependence कार कार ऊपर निर्भर करे? Again, number one, similar to the case of self-induction, here also M depends on the separation of two coils. So this separation, it depends upon the mutual inductance of two coils, depends upon the separation of the two coils. Secondly, it depends upon the number of turns in the coil, in the coils. দুইটা কয়েলত কিমান টাৰ্নছ আছে, কিমান পাক আছে, সেই পাকটোৰ ওপৰতো m ৰ ভ্যালুটো ডিপেন্ড কৰিব. Also it depends upon the permeability of the core material. What is core material? Core materials used. I mean, core material ki use koro hetu upor depend korobo. Core materials means inside the coil there is a material that is called core material. Jitu core material use koro, he core material to oporot nirbhor koribo. Also, it depends upon area of cross section. These are the factors on which dependence of M, that is M mutual inductance, coefficient of mutual induction, depends upon. Only one thing is different from the self-induction, that which is the separation of the two coils, right? So there are various use of this mutual induction. Okay, one of the important use is that to construct transformer, right? When we go for the transformer, then we'll see its application, right? We'll be discussing about transformer later on, but simply if you see the construction of a transformer, okay, there are so many soft iron plates in a transformer. How transformer is constructed? Some plates are placed over one another, soft iron plates, and they are separated by mica sheets, and one primary coil. Okay, primary coil is connected. In the one side, one primary coil is connected, and oscillator or AC voltage is applied. In another side, secondary coil is connected. Okay, the secondary coil, EMF is induced in the secondary coil. Okay, so EMF will be induced in the secondary coil without any battery. So this is a transformer. We can change the voltage developed in the secondary coil. This is secondary, this is primary. So by changing the number of turns, okay, by changing the number of turns in the two coils, we can change the value of induced EMF developed in the secondary coil. So from which we get step up and step down. There are two different types of transformer. One is step up, another is step down. In case of step up transformer, voltage is increased. Okay, it depends upon the number of turns. In case of step down transformer, voltage is decreased in the secondary coil. Okay, we may have different types of transformers: step up transformer and step down transformer. By changing the number of turns in the primary and secondary coils, we can construct step up as well as step down transformers. So this is included in next topics. We'll discuss again. Okay. So let us do some problems concerned with mutual induction. Question number 1. The mutual induction of two coils is 5 Henry. If 200 Weber magnetic flux is produced in the secondary coil of 100 turns. So the mutual inductance of two coils is 5 Henry. M is given. So if 200 Weber magnetic flux is produced in a secondary coil of 100 turns, find the change in current. Only thing is that you have to find the effective magnetic flux. Solution. Here the effective magnetic flux phi is equal to 200 into 100. That is, there are 100 turns. So 2 into 10 to the power 4 Weber. Weber is the unit of magnetic flux. Then therefore, change in current change of life, no? I is equal 5, M is equal 5 into 10 to the power 5 ampere. Okay. So according to this problem, very simple, the mutual inductance of two coils is 0.2 Henry. If the current changes in the primary coil, in this primary coil, current changes at the rate 5 ampere per second. মানে 1 সেকেন্ডত 5 ampere কো চেঞ্জ হৈ থাকে, right? Then you are asked to find out EMF induced in the secondary coil. ইয়াত কিমান EMF induced হ'ব? Very simple. So solution, you have the formula M is equal to di by dt. No need to write I1. Okay, this is general formula. So here M is equal 0.2 Henry, right? The change in current di by dt, that is rate of change of current. Di by dt means rate of change of current. It changes 5 ampere per second. It is 5 ampere per second di by dt. So definitely you can just put the values. Most simple problem. So minus 5 minus 0.2 into 5, right? So it is 1 minus 1 volt. So if you write the magnitude only the magnitude, then no need to write minus sign. So it is the magnitude of induced EMF is 1 volt, right? So these are the very simple problem, but you will find some complicated problem also, no doubt. In this way, we can utilize the relation of mutual inductance. So I have given only two examples, right?